This article is an in-depth article, but primarily it relates to the issue of whether or not, from a genetic perspective, all of life can be considered to be one genetic tree with many branches, or whether it is better to consider life to be like an orchard, where you have the kinds that referred to in the Bible, and out of those kinds come branches, and they are the species that are derived from the kinds, and it is embedded in the genetic complexity of each kind to be able to produce multiple species. The one tree version is what we'd expect from evolution, going right back to the first cell, as it were, and the orchard is what we'd expect from creation, where everything is created as different kinds that reproduce after their own kind, and within the kinds are embedded a whole variety of species that are manifested over the few thousand years since creation. And I think the article explores the difficulties faced by the evolutionary tree model, and I expect over the next 10 years, as the genetic codes for different species are mapped out, that the evidence, when looked at properly, will clearly support the orchard concept of creation rather than the single tree of evolution. And that's my prediction for the future. And certainly we are seeing this across the board in the last few years, whether it's the James Webb Telescope seeing that there are fully formed galaxies as far as we can see, or whether it's soft tissue in the fossils and showing that the rocks must only be thousands of years. As more data and information is coming through, it is supporting creation, not an old Earth evolutionary paradigm. And it's exciting times, and God seems to be saying to all of us, wake up, I'm coming back soon, and I do exist. Thank you very much for listening.